now build your organization by using this IOC system. Ito, good news nito. Every time na merong magme-member under your organization, bawat isa sa atin na magme-member with 8,000 pesos na IOC account, meron tayong 4,000 icing on the cake sales value. In which, pag may nag-member sa'yo sa IOC, automatic, you will receive 15% commission galing sa 4,000 ISB. Kung second generation, halimbawa yun, na-invite mo, nag-invite din siya, meron ka namang 10% mula dun sa 4,000 ISB na yan or icing on the cake sales value. Ang good news nito, 5% naman para sa third generation up to 11th generation. And the good news, ladies and gentlemen, meron pa kayong marireceive na international profit sharing, 1.5% naman po yan, galing na rin po sa icing on the cake profit share basing on the formula stated, which is we will discuss later. So that's a good news. Imagine mo with your 8,000 pesos, ang maganda nito, hindi lang ikaw yung nagbe-business, you can now expand your business by building your organization using this icing on the cake. And the good news, ladies and gentlemen, dito po sa DXN, yung tinatawag natin na 111 structure. For example, ikaw ngayon, nag-member ka na ngayon sa DXN, ano? Once you register dito po sa icing on the cake, you can purchase at least 3 units po ng icing on the cake. So the good news about this po, this system ng DXN, pag meron kang 3 units ng icing on the cake, di ba kagaya kanina, pinaliwanag ko sa inyo, as you can see, pag first generation mo, 15%, second generation, 10%, third generation, 5%. Pero kung 3 units ng icing on the cake, meaning nakatatlong account ka ng icing on the cake, so 8 times 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, meron ka ngayon 24,000 worth na products ng DXN, you can purchase 3 units po ng icing on the cake. So the good news about sa 111 structure, ladies and gentlemen, instead of you earning 15%, ang kikitain mo sa first generation mo is 30%. Based on icing on the cake sales value. Come to think of it, 4,000, 30% kagad. Mamaya papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po yung computation yan. Second generation, 20%. And the good news, ladies and gentlemen, up to the 9th generation, you will receive 15% galing po sa 4,000 icing on the cake sales value and 10% sa 10th generation and 5% pagdating po ng inyong 11th generation. So, percentage pa lang ang pinag-uusapan natin. Siyempre, mas maganda pag ang pinag-uusapan natin is yung figure. Pero ano yung advantage? Pag halimbawang ikaw ay nag-icing on the cake, it is like hitting 8 birds in 1 stone. Bakit? Ladies and gentlemen, if you will purchase kahit 1 icing on the cake package lang, it is an international package. Meaning, lahat po ng DXN sa buong mundo, meron pong i-icing on the cake. So you can sponsor people from different parts of the world using this system. At ang maganda, no left and right because no matching or pairing is required. Every time that there is a sale na napoproduce gamit po yung icing on the cake, automatic you will expect a commission coming from the purchase ng mga members sa ilalim natin. And the good news about this, ladies and gentlemen, no maintenance is required. Hindi mo na kinakailangan mag-maintain, no? Pag halimbawang ikaw nag-icing on the cake, automatic ngayon, meron kang commission na may receive. But, ladies and gentlemen, as we all say, ang product ng DXN, consumable, ginagamit, binibili ng tao. You will purchase talaga products, hindi dahil sa kailangan mo mag-purchase, because mayroong demand sa produkto natin. So that's the good news about this business. Kasi po, ang produkto ng DXN, ladies and gentlemen, if you will see kung ano yung product ang main product natin dito sa DXN, of course, RGGL. Pero alam niyo po, ang mga Pilipino, mahilig po talaga. Kahit tirik ang araw, 3:00 ng hapon, napakasarap pa rin po talaga magkape. Di ba? Hindi pa yan. Isa pa sa mga kinaadikan natin ngayon talaga is yung milk tea. Ayan, so milk tea. Ano pa? Cappuccino. Ano, mga product yan na hindi mo na kailangan ng paliwanag dahil madaling maintindihan ng mga tao. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, yung maintenance is not required sa icing on the cake. But the good news, dito sa DXN, meron na kayong tinatawag natin na seed stock for sales. Bakit seed stocks for sales? Ladies and gentlemen, ang maganda nito, with your 8,000 pesos, meron ka ng produkto that you can promote now the products of DXN dahil meron ka ng stocks. Kasi ang hirap naman, if you will do business na wala ka namang product, na ang produkto mo, halimbawa, if you will do DXN business, ang hawak mo lang is business kit. Come to think of it, halimbawa, tinanong kaibigan mo, Mars, may business ako. O sige, ano yung business mo? Asan ang negosyo mo? Tapos ang ilalabas mo, sales kit lang. Pagkatapos ang ipapakita mo, ito yung picture ng kape,